Introducing Exactcom's contactless system, revolutionizing the way you monitor your sites. Battery-powered, non-Wi-Fi dependent beacons are strategically placed throughout a site in areas that require monitoring. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the 3M sticker on the back of the beacon and place it in the area you need to monitor. Your staff wear these ID tags. No tapping, scanning or signing required. The beacon automatically identifies the tag when it enters the area, and the tag stores the data until it passes a strategically placed Wi-Fi gateway. The data is sent to your Exactcom's portal, where you can view your cleaning and security compliance insights. Weekly summary reports show task compliance rates, best staff, asset usage, and which areas need attention. Experience simplicity, improved standards, efficiency, and accuracy with the Exactcom's contactless system.